Hello children, this video class is an initiative of Shiv Jyoti Educational Group. I am Shravya Vyas and I gladly welcome you all to my social science class. Today we shall be doing chapter 16 part 2 Kolkata. So in the previous class we had done the location, climate, clothes, food and festivals of Kolkata, and in today's class we shall be doing culture, transport, industries and tourist attractions. Before I proceed with the part 2 of this class, I will quickly summarize what we did in the previous class. So children, open your textbook page 95 and follow along with me, okay. So the first part of Kolkata is, Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal, and earlier Kolkata was known by the name Calcutta, and it is located on, this is river Hooghly, and Kolkata is located on the east of river Hooghly. The important port in Kolkata is Diamond Harbour, and all the important offices of the West Bengal state government are located in Kolkata. Now let's come to page 96, okay. We will first talk about the climate of Kolkata. The climate in Kolkata has a moderate climate. Moderate means it is neither hot in summer nor cold in winter, and the monsoon months are from June to September. So because of the heavy rainfall in Kolkata, the city suffers from waterlogging during the monsoon months. Our next topic is food. Rice and fish are the staple food of the Bengalis, and Bengalis, they are very fond of sweets, and sandesh and rasgulla are the popular sweets here. Our next topic is clothes. The traditional dress for men in Kolkata is the dhoti kurta or pajama kurta, and the traditional dress of the women there is sari blouse and salwar kameez. Let us now come to festivals. Though all major festivals are celebrated in Kolkata, the two most important festivals in Kolkata are Kali Puja and Durga Puja. So children, this was a quick summary of what we did in the previous class. Let us now proceed with today's class. Okay, today we shall be doing culture, transport, industries and tourist attractions. So let us now talk about culture. Kolkata is very rich in its culture. What is the language spoken here? People here speak Bengali. And because of its rich culture, the people here are very fond of art and music. The favorite sport played by the Kolkata people are football and cricket. That is, football and cricket are greatly loved by the people in Kolkata. Okay, now let's talk about Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was a great poet. Rabindranath Tagore was a great poet. It was he who wrote the national anthem. And Rabindranath Tagore, the great poet, belonged to Calcutta, and he was the first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize. He was the first Indian to get the Nobel Prize. Okay, let us now talk about the twin cities Howrah and Kolkata. Okay, so this is river Hooghly, and Howrah and Kolkata, the twin cities, are separated by the river Hooghly. While Kolkata lies on the eastern bank of river Hooghly, Howrah city lies on the western bank of river Hooghly, and the two bridges that connect the twin cities Howrah and Kolkata are Howrah Bridge or Rabindranath Setu and Vidyasagar Setu. So, Howrah Bridge and Vidyasagar Setu are the two bridges that connect the twin cities Howrah and Kolkata. Let us now come to the transport system in Kolkata. Kolkata has a very efficient public transport system. The two main railway stations in Kolkata are Howrah Railway Station and Sialdah Railway Station. And it also has other efficient public transports like metro, electric trams, double-decker buses and aeroplanes. So what is a metro, children? Metro is an underground railway system. Kolkata city was the first city to get a metro, okay? And the other important transport systems in Kolkata are metro, electric trams, double-decker buses and aeroplanes, okay? And the airport in Kolkata is named after Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and it is called Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. Let us now come to industries in Kolkata. Some of the major industries in Kolkata are jute, textile, rubber, rice, paper and chemicals. Okay, so these are some of the important industries in Kolkata. Now comes the tourist attractions. Like all the different cities in our country, Kolkata also has a number of tourist attractions. Some of the tourist attractions are the Victoria Memorial Hall, the Birla Planetarium, the Science City, the Alipur Zoo, Kali Ghat, Rabindra Sarovar and Belur Math. And the National Library of India located in Kolkata is the biggest library in India. So children, this concludes the explanation part of this chapter. Let us now proceed to the bookwork and copy work of this chapter. So children, let us now start with the bookwork of chapter 16, Kolkata. I want all of you to open your text, page 98. So children, let us start with exercise A, match the columns. Okay. Question 1, airport. The name of the airport in Kolkata is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. So just beside C, I want you to put 1. Second question, bridge. E. Rabindranath Setu is the name of the bridge. So put 2 here. Question 3, railway station. Beside D, Howrah, I want you to put 3 here. And question 4, river. Beside B in Hooghly, I want you to put number 4. And question 5, sweet. The popular sweet of Kolkata is Sandesh. So beside A, Sandesh, I want you to write number 5. Now come to page 99. Open your textbook, page 99, and we shall do the multiple choice questions. Question 1. Kolkata was earlier known as A, Calcutta. And question 2. The people of Kolkata speak A, Punjabi, B, Bengali, C, Marathi, and the correct option is B, Bengali. Question 3. The main festival of Kolkata is A, Holi, B, Diwali, C, Durga Puja, and the correct option is C, Durga Puja. Question 4. A popular sweet of Bengal is A. Rasgulla, B. Peta, C. Laddu, and the correct option is A. Rasgulla. Question 5. Bengalis love to play A. Tennis, B. Football, C. Badminton, and the correct option is B. Football. Let us now proceed with the copy work. So in the previous class children, we had already done the definitions of metro and tradition. After completing this, I want you to continue today's work in the next page. Okay. So start today's work with answer the following. You will have to first complete the definitions of metro and tradition, and in the next page write answer the following and proceed with today's question. What is the first question? Describe the climate of Kolkata. Answer: Kolkata has a moderate climate throughout the year. Leave a line children, don't forget the red margins here. Underline answer the following also in red. After completing question 1, leave a line and proceed with the second question. Question 2. Name 3 places of tourist interest in Kolkata. And the answer is 1. Science City, 2. Kalighat, 3. Alipur Zoo. Again, please don't forget the red margins children. After you complete the second answer, leave a line and start with the third question. Let's now do the third question. Question 3. What are the major industries found in Kolkata? Answer: jute, chemical, textile, rubber, rice and paper are some of the industries found in Kolkata. Now let's come to the fourth question. Again, draw your red margins. Write question 4 here. What is the staple food of Bengalis? Answer: rice and fish. And finally, question 5. What are the most popular games in Kolkata? Answer is football and cricket. So children, this concludes the book work, copy work as well as the explanation part of this chapter. So thank you children. I hope you had a great time doing this chapter with me. Take care.